Basta na nga yun. Now, pag may nakita kayong magic watermark, ang document, what you would need to do is that you would need to print it out. Now, if the document doesn't have the magic watermark, okay, it means that the soft legal copy is legit. It is real. Okay? Now, what am I talking about? Papakita ko sa inyo. Okay, ito na. Ito magic watermark ha. Okay. So this is the magic watermark. This is only visible in soft legal copy documents. Okay? Ayan, yan ang watermark. Sa documents nyo, may mga watermark ba? May nakita ba kayo, Net 25 at Malacanang, may magic watermark ba? Di ba wala? Okay, that only tells one thing. Kaya nga tinatawag siyang magic watermark, it's because if you're going to print out a legal soft copy, it will disappear. That's one way of telling if it's legit or not. Pag i-print mo, walang watermark, it means that the soft copy that you have is legal and binding. Okay? Like this one, this is what I did. Nakita niyo yung watermark kanina, so this is the sample of the printout. It does